Hi there, Gareth of Channel Profits here. So 2023 is upon us, and with it brings a host of new opportunities. The biggest of which, in my opinion, is still YouTube automation and building faceless channels for profit. The question is, which niche should you go for, and what will make you the most money? So in this video, I'll be covering my top picks for profitable niches in 2023. As always, if you would like full step-by-step training on building channels for profit, then check out the links in the video description. The first one on my list is the space niche. Anything to do with space is exploding right now, with demand for content and news going up all of the time. Although more entertainment or news-style channels, the space niche can have high CPMs. And there are plenty of channels that grew rapidly in the last year, two of which are Space Rip and Space Videos. Space Rip has over 900,000 subscribers and is easily generating a few $1,000s each month in passive income, which isn't bad for a channel that only uploads about 10 videos per year. So that's less than one video per month. They create documentary-style videos with a voiceover and footage from media clips and stock footage sites. The second channel is Space Videos, or Amazing Space. They have over 5.6 million subscribers and will be generating over $14,000 each month in revenue alone. And again, they are barely uploading, just 2 videos per month. What I love about this channel is that they are streaming live feeds from NASA and the International Space Station. This is genius and is probably why they have grown so big. These streams have been going non-stop for a number of years, and there are hundreds of people watching live at any given time. That means easy ad revenue for doing nothing. People who love space and want to keep up to date are likely to keep coming back just to see that live stream. The second one on the list, and one I personally love, is the money and finance niche. With inflation being so high and talk of a looming recession this year, money will be at the front and center of people's minds. People will be wanting to protect their investments as well as looking for ways to make more money or save more money. So you have an endless supply of potential ideas. You could start a crypto news channel, a tips channel on how to save money and be more frugal, or create a channel on business and investing. The finance niche is vast, so let's look at a couple examples. The first is a small channel called Saving Savers. Although a new channel, I think this could do well moving forward, especially if we hit a recession. My only issue with focusing on saving is that no one dreams of just saving money. We dream of making more. So I wonder if saving should be part of a broader wealth channel. But I could be wrong, and saving could be a good place to start. If you have come across any big saver-style channels, then let me know in the comments, as I'd love to see them. The next example is Chris Invests. It's a whiteboard explainer-style channel, similar to the Swedish Investor, where they teach about investing for beginners. These channels will be making at least $10,000 per month, as they have high CPMs. The third one is the history niche. This is a great evergreen niche that can get views for years to come. With everything going on in the world, especially in the Ukraine, history channels have been getting a boost in views. People want to know about the history of Europe and wars, both present and previous. Channels that create videos on these trending topics are currently getting millions of views. A great example is Simple History. This is a beast of a channel with over 4 million subscribers that will be making over $100,000 per month in ad revenue alone from their nearly 28 million monthly views, which is an insane amount of traffic. They have great animated videos, which will be a key reason for their success. Quality keeps people coming back. Another good but smaller channel called Nutty History is probably generating over $11,000 per month from simple stock videos and images edited into new videos with voiceovers. They target weird and creepy stories throughout history. So if you're a history buff or have an interest in it, then this could be a great growth niche for you to get into. The next niche is the sports niche. It's one that I don't personally have any experience in, but I know a number of YouTubers who are doing very well in this space, especially with faceless channels. For some reason, the CPMs can be really good, which could be due to computer games or clothing ads. It's also a very family-friendly market, so it has broad appeal for advertisers. The options are also endless here. You could focus on basketball, football, American football, baseball, UFC, and boxing, to name just a few. The fifth niche on our list is the story niche. This is a simple one that I love. The CPMs are low, but the view volume can be incredibly high, as everyone is a potential viewer. Most people start with stories from Reddit, but to be honest, you could get AI tools to rewrite any number of stories out there, be it funny, children, or ghost stories. One of my personal favorites is a channel called Am I the Jerk? These type of gossip-style stories are seriously addictive. It's just simple video backgrounds from computer games with captions telling stories of people being jerks. It's the guy's voice and storytelling skills that really make the videos. They take the stories from a subreddit called Am I the Jerk that people keep adding their stories to. So they have an endless supply of new video ideas. But what's insane is the fact that this channel is getting over 38 million monthly views, which means these simple videos will be making anything from $50,000 to $150,000 each month. Not bad for videos you can just throw together. The next niche is a new one that many are tapping into, and one that I think will get much bigger in 2023. Thanks to AI tools, we can easily summarize books and topics. In a world where we want information ever faster, people often look for summaries of books. Channels that do these not only benefit from the authority of the book, making it easier to grow their channels, but they get evergreen views. A great example of this is Escaping Ordinary. This channel has some amazing book summaries, and although they haven't created a new video in over a year, this channel still gets nearly 1 million monthly views, which means passive income for the creator for years to come. If I were him, I'd start creating a few more videos each year. Moving on to the next one is the self-improvement niche. This is another niche I love. It's evergreen, so videos will get views for years to come, and there are so many ideas for video topics. Self-improvement covers so many areas, from productivity to motivation. A great channel that does this really well is Better Than Yesterday. This is a beast of a channel with over 2 million subscribers and more than 1.5 million monthly views. This channel will be making about $6,000 to $8,000 each month in passive income. I say passive income as the channel owner only uploads about 4 to 5 videos per year, which is an insane ROI on uploads. And this is the great thing about evergreen channels. You just keep getting paid. The final niche on the list is the how-to niche. This could literally be videos on any topic. So it's not so much a niche rather than a style of channel. This is where you focus a little more on search traffic rather than suggested, and just create evergreen explainer videos. It could be how to do things around the house, or how to use particular softwares. The idea is that you want to create thousands of short videos that will bring in small amounts of search traffic for years to come. It's a great strategy, and one that I know many experts out there are recommending. But focusing on search traffic alone for your channel means it can take longer to grow, and your audience won't be as interested or engaged. They may just visit once and never come back. But growth can be more stable, with even Google sending search traffic to your videos as they start to rank. Personally, I prefer niches and channels that let me tap into both search and suggested traffic. With that said, if you would like full step-by-step training on building profitable YouTube channels, then check out the links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside the next training video.